Welcome. In front of me is a Huawei Y5 from 2019, and today I will show you how to insert SIM and SD card. So before we get started, there's one thing that we will need, which is this SIM eject tool. They come provided with the device, it should be somewhere in the box. And if you can't find it, you can always use something like a paper clip. They will work as well. So I actually have one right somewhere here. So like this one, this was at one point a paper clip, I guess not anymore, but all you need is something just long and sturdy enough so it can push out the tray that is located on the upper left side of the device. So from there, you want to take it and just eject the tray like so. You can see that it popped out now, and then grab it and just take it all out. From here you have access to two different SIM trays and an SD tray. So you want to place the SD card and the SIM card like so. The SIM card has the cutout on the bottom right side, and the SD is just normally placed. And while holding them firmly, you want to slide it back into the device like so. And now I should be spammed with PIN for the SIM. There it is. So there we go. And it changes the language, I guess, because of the SIM card, but there's the SD card, and the SIM obviously works because it required a PIN. So that is how you would insert SIM and SD card into the device. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.